HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camelo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. TMC leaders castigated the government for 25% unemployment, non starting of mining, abysmal law and order, and for Goa becoming the new crime hotspot of India. MPs Mohua Moitra, Dr. Saugata Roy, former Union Minister Babul Supriyo, Luisino Falero, and others were speaking at the release of the charge sheet against governments in Goa. The TMC leaders wore black bands in protest against the deputy collector's decision to deny them permission to hold the meeting at the last minute. The meeting went ahead without the use of sound system. Babul Supriyo said double engine government can double the failures and was responsible for destroying many areas in Goa. Mohua Moitra answered the very crucial question of why Trinamool in Goa. Listen.
Well, the short and sweet answer as to what we're doing in Goa lies in this. This is exactly what we're doing in Goa because the Goa government has failed its people for the last 20 years, whichever government has been in power. Very short example, the government that is currently in power is not a government that was voted in by the Goans. It was a government that is sitting in power today because of last minute, late night machinations held in the lobby and rooms of five-star hotels. It is not one that has been given the mandate by the people. Percent of the Goan youth is unemployed, 25%. The second, and this will strike a chord with almost all of us Indians, who, because of being a developing country, suffer from insecurity. The average Goan cannot afford to buy a home in their home state. Goa is touted as a tourist paradise, is touted as a holiday home for many rich Indians, but the average Goan cannot afford to buy a home in Goa. So who is the government running it for Goans or for everybody else? The third, if you think about it, is that what is the main source of income in Goa? Fishermen. The fishermen's cash has declined over 86% and the subsidy by the government is down by 40%. Out of over 1,600 assembly seats since Goa came in, only 83 women have ever been given tickets in Goa. And that is one of the reasons we are here. TMC has given representation to 41% women in parliament. I'm one of those who stand here today.
Goa has always been a very relaxed place. It has been a safe haven for tourists, not only from India but also all over the world. If you see the economy, if you see the state of tourism, if you see the mining sectors, if you see this is a chart sheet, everything is there. If you see the MSME sector, what I am saying is when you're talking about double engine Sarkar, this is not something that only the state government has done. It seems that the double engine was at war to wreck many areas in the region of Goa. And I think that, as I said, it has to be Congress and BJP have lost the trust of the people. People are disillusioned with them. So I think TMC is the answer. And you are going to get a government which is for the people, of the people, and by the people.
We have a long connection with Goa because, as you know, many Bengalis participated in the freedom struggle of Goa. They spent months in Salazar's prison. Today we renew that connection with Goa. We are releasing this charge sheet, which you will see details all our protests in 20 years of BJP and Congress rule. The highlights are the fall in the economy, intrusion into Goa by capitalists from outside, leaving basic infrastructure in shambles. Mining is suspended, thus taking away the only scope of earning for many workers.
TMC leaders have assured to take up the Siddhi Naik case with Goa Governor, Parliament, and Supreme Court. This was after MPs Mohua Moitra and Dr. Saugata Roy, former Union Minister Babul Supriyo, Former Chief Minister Luisino Falero and others met with parents of late Siddhi Naik at Nationala residence. They contended that the police had made serious lapses in the investigations. They said post-mortem report could not say it was a suicide, but only death by drowning. MP Mohua Moitra said the investigators on the ground were acting in connivance with higher authorities, as told by father of Siddhi Naik.
They seem to be incapable of doing a proper investigation into this. They have not followed standard operating procedure, and we agree with everything that he said. And if he seems to think that we cannot get justice out of this government because everybody is hand in glove in trying to cover this up, and because there was a big social outcry, is even why they filed an FIR initially. They were not even willing to take the case up. So I think this is something that we really need to help him do in Delhi and in the highest levels of government, and to make sure that justice is delivered to the
At least 3 doctors should be present. The entire post-mortem procedure should be covered by CCTV camera, and a portion of the viscera, since it was a contentious issue, should have been preserved. And that's one thing. The second thing is that under pressure, the government had formed a 3-member committee, investigation committee to check on the postmortem and to examine the case. They again reiterated that it was a case of drowning, but they said that further investigation should be done. That was not done. So I think that a middle class family is not getting it's just because they are not mighty enough to go to court and fight against the government, because he said a very serious thing. I understand a little bit of Marathi, having stayed in Bombay, that there seemed to be a direct connection between the police officer and the topmost person in the state. They had a direct conversation, and it was immediately ruled out as a normal unnatural death and a case of suicide. That does not establish anything. Whether searching about depression on the mobile phone can easily say that she was depressed and therefore committed suicide. So proper investigation must be done. And though they have destroyed the viscera and everything else, I think if there is honesty and acknowledgement by the government that the investigation needs to be done, I think a lot of things may come out, as we have seen in the case of Scarlett Killing. When she died in 2008, her mother insisted for a CBI inquiry, and that was done.
पुलिसीन जे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केलां तें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कायदे प्रमाण न्हू, कित्याक कायदे प्रमाणे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केलें जाल्यार CCTV कॅमेराचेर तेमी रिकॉर्ड करपाक जाय. दुसरें, जेन्ना ताजें पोस्टमॉर्टम जालें, कायदो आहा की उणें 2 वा 3 डॉक्टरांनी एक बराबर हें पोस्टमॉर्टम करपाक जाय. आनी तिसरें म्हणजे जेन्ना विसेरा काडलें आनी डिस्ट्रॉय करप is very wrong, is patently wrong, because at least 3 कारण आहा where police has bungled up. अशें दिसता की सरकार पुलिसीक उजार करता लायक ए केज पॅरट, म्हणजे सरकार सांगूं सोदता ते पुलीस सांगता. हें सारकें न्हू, अशें जावपाक जायना. जस्टीस जाय, कित्याक केन्ना एक दिसाक 3 मर्डरो, 2 दिसांक 4 मर्डरो, बायलांचेर अत्याचार, हें गोंयां आमकां सोबना आनी गोंयकारां भितर हें जावपाक जायना. आनी प्रत्येक सुमनाक देर इज अ मर्डर, देर इज अ रेप. गोवा हॅज बिकम अ मर्डर destination in the country. We will not allow this. We will fight against it, and we will ensure that justice is done and ensure that there is some deterrent. आज deterrent ना.
जेन्ना ते बॉडी जेन्ना हेचेर मेवली पळय, तेन्ना ते प्रगती PSआन जावं पंचनामा तेंच्यांनी सुसायड म्हणून केला पळय, म्हणून तो आयज सरकार सावन आमच्या दारार येवन तेणी विचारलें ना, सुसायड केला म्हणून विचारलें. तो आतां मर्डर जाल्ली ताका मर्डर म्हणून तेणी ते चिंतूंक ना, आनी म्हणून तो आयज आमच्या मर्डर जाल्ली जाल्यार तो येतलो आसलो आयज दारार, सुसायड म्हणून तो येवंक ना. पूण आयज सरकार म्हणून आमचो सरकार तेणी कितें तरी सगळे लोक, सगळे आमदार, सगळे मिनिस्टर आमच्या दारार येयले, पूण तो येवंक ना. म्हणजे हेंच्या हितून कितें तरी लिपोवपाचें आहा म्हणून ते येवंक ना.
Dr. Jocelyn Fernandes has resigned as president of UGDP and has been given the freedom by the party to contest on any ticket. We have to make an entry into the Goa Assembly to fight for Goans. There is no other way than to resign and join a bigger group. There is no other way to the divisive forces, Dr. Johnson said. UGDP leaders Radharao Gracious and Anacleto Vigas said the UGDP will not dissolve or merge with any other party, but may extend support to others to avoid splitting of votes.
Like the way Radha has said that yes, the political equations over the last few days have changed, and foreseeing that finally we enter into the assembly if we want to really fight for Goa and for Goans, there was no other way that was out for us, and that was the reason why I resigned. If you have a look at today's the divisive forces that we have got, you realize that there are people who will tell you what to dress, what to eat and what not to eat, and they'll also tell you what to speak and what not to speak. Now that brings a big question mark of how are we going to deal with this type of divisive forces. And that's the very reason why we have decided that yes, we have been fighting all this time, whether it was coal, whether it was the three linear projects or any other issue, we have always taken it up at our own level. I do understand as a president of the party, yes, we were not able to give a formidable force to be in to fight for the Goan cause and for the sake of Goa, because there are different political forces that go in different directions, and that's the very reason why we find there are so many splinter groups that are there together and they need to come together. That's the very reason why we have taken this particular call. So for the better cause of Goa, I thought.
And so when he decided to resign, we have accepted it, and absolutely we have no anger or rancor about that, because we are not people, we all work together and we have worked for a common cause, Goa, and that cause remains. And the UGDP was formed also as a regional party to protect regional interests, and our interests also remain. We are making it very clear that the party shall remain. None of us are joining any other party. None of us means maybe Anaklet, myself, Drubachi, or all our other office bearers. We are not joining any other party. When the elections come, we will decide what to do. As a political party, we can either abstain or we can extend support to some formation. That we will decide in due course. For the time being, our president is free to contest on any party ticket, and we wish him well.
We'll get back to you.
That the situation will decide whether we have to contest at all or which constituencies to contest. That the situation will decide.
It's not that we are just eliminating a party or merging with any other party. No. This little voice that we have, I call it a feeble voice, that is required for the state. There are groups of people who are affected, and those groups come only to us.
The locals from Malauli and Satari are still struggling to get their names struck off as accused in the anti-IIT agitation case. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant had assured that their names would be struck off from the case. On Monday, the locals marched in protest and submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister to withdraw their names immediately. They said that their names are still part of the case.
आमचे मेलावलीन IITचो प्रोजेक्ट जावपाचो आसलो आनी तो सद्याक सरकारान कॅन्सल करता म्हणून सांगला. हे आमच्या सीएमान सांगलेलें करता म्हणून, पूण अजून काय तो लिगली करूंक ना. त्या प्रोजेक्टा संदर्भात आमच्या भुरग्यांच्यो जायत्यो केसी आसा, अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर म्हणून. आमी एक रिक्वेस्ट आतां सीएमाक दिला, चीफ सेक्रेटरीक दिला, पंचायत डायरेक्टराकूय दिला आनी PWDकूय दिला. पंचायत डायरेक्टराक दिला ते म्हणजे आमचे जे कंपाऊंड वॉल आसले ते NOCक लागून पंचायत डायरेक्टरांची केस चालू आसली त्या संदर्भात दिला आनी आमी ताका रिक्वेस्ट केला. आतां जर हे सांगलां IIT थंयसून स्क्रॅप करता म्हणून, पूण लेखी दिवना अजून, ते आमची केस मातशी फाटी घेवची. त्याच प्रमाणे आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर ज्यो केसी केल्ल्यो आहात अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डराच्यो त्यो फाटी घेवच्यो. आनी सीएमाकूय लेटर दिवन सांगलेलें, आमी सगळ्यांक आतां लेटरां दिवन सांगलेलीं आहात. आनी जर हे 15 दिसां भितर तेंच्यांनी जर हेजेर आमकां कितें रिप्लाय दिली ना, जावं जर दखल कितें घेतली ना जाल्यार आमी परत आंदोलन करतले.
केसी फाटी घेवपाच्यो उरले आमच्यो. ओके. कित्याक IIT जर स्क्रॅप केली म्हणटा जाल्यार 167/1 आमचो जो सर्वे नंबर आसा ते सर्वे नंबरान प्रोजेक्ट केल्ली ती अजून का IITचे वयले सर्वे नंबर IIT म्हणून जें नांव आसलें नोटिफिकेशन काडून तेजें अजून का ते कॅन्सल केल्ले ना. तशेंच आमचे 40 लोकांचेर केसी आहा. अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर तो अजूनपर्यंत विड्रॉ करू ना. तशेंच पंचायत डायरेक्टरेटान आमची एनओसीक लागून केस आहा तेंची IITची. जर IIT मेलावलीन करपाचीच ना जाल्यार केस IIT डायरेक्टराक कित्याक चलोवपाक जाय.
फकत तोंडान
सांगला नोटिफिकेशन काय अजून काढलेले ना म्हणून आम्ही आज CMाक लेटर केला, चीफ सेक्रेटरी PWD मागीर पंचायत डायरेक्टराक तशा कलेक्टर IIT डायरेक्टराकूय लेटर आसा ते दिवपाचे आहा. आतां तितले वतना
विड्रॉ करूंक ना तुमकां कोणें गमलें
नोटिफिकेशन काढून ना न्हू तोंडी सांगला कित्याक 67/1 अजून IITचें नांव आसा.
अजूनय आसा
114 फॉर्माचेर अजून IITचेर नांव आहा.
हितून हेल्थ मिनिस्टर कितें सांगता कित्याक एका टायमार तेणेन तो स्टेटमेंटूय केलोलो हितून ते IIT येयले जाल्यार आपूण येना आपूण लोकां बाराबर रावतलो आनी
तेणी स्टेटमेंट काढला म्हणून तेणी तेजेर काय अजून काय केल्लें ना न्ही आनी खंय केन्ना काय अजून उलयल्लें ना.
तुमी विचारलें ताका
ना आमी वचना तेजे कडेन.
CMाक पूण ट्राय केली तुमी विचारपाक.
हय CMाक आमी ट्राय केली म्हटल्यार CMानू काडटा म्हणून अजून आतां सदांच डिले करता.
फक्त आश्वासनां दिल्लीं आहा.
सो तुमचे मागणे कितें आहा?
आमी रिक्वेस्ट केल्या की बेगीच्या बेगीन काडची, एक 15 दिसां भितर तरी हें विड्रॉ करचें ना जाल्यार आमी मोर्चा काडटले.
After recently being embroiled in a major controversy over narcotics found on board, domestic cruise ship Cordelia Empress arrived in Goa from Mumbai on Sunday. This cruise brought 1,105 passengers and took back around 250 passengers. Shipping agency JM Baxi senior manager Govind Pirnulkar said that the vessel will now come regularly as per schedule and complete around 52 calls to Goa this season.
ना खरीच आनंदाची गोष्ट की ही क्रूज लाईन स्टार्ट जाल्या परत. खरें कांय भिवपाची गरज कसलीच नासलेली हांगा की थंय मातशें कितें तरी मुंबय थोडे इन्सिडंट जाले पण ते बोटीचें कांयच प्रॉब्लम नासलें आनी सगळ्या ऑथॉरिटी कडल्यान क्लियरन्स मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत आतां परत एकदां हें सुरू जाल्लें आसा. फक्त एकूच गोंयान येवपाची 15 तारखेक ह्या म्हयन्याक येवपाची आसली ती कॉल एक कॅन्सल जाल्लें कित्याक तेंचे कितें लायसन्सिंगा खातीर कितें डिले जाल्लो. पण मेजर पार्ट अशें बोटीची कांयच प्रॉब्लम नासलो आनी बऱ्यांतली बरी खबर की ही परत बोट आपणाची उरलेली सगळी कॉल्स हांगा करतली. जशें शेड्यूल आसलें की 58 कॉल्स आसली गोवा ह्या सिजनाक ती परत सुरू जाले. सगळे कॉल्स जातले. आयज ही येयल्या ही आनंदाची गोष्ट आनी सगळ्यान व्हडलें म्हणजे आमी ह्या पोर्टान आनी तशेंच गव्हर्मेंटान आनी आमचे सगळे एजन्सीज ज्यो हांगा रेफर आसा तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी मेळोन खूब फोर्स घालून ती एकदां शीप ही परत सुरू केल्या. तेचो मेन रिजन की हांगाचे जे आमचे लोकल बिझनसमॅन आसात म्हणजे जे आपणाचे टॅक्सीचेर पोट चलयतात, सगळीं दुकानां आसात, बसीस आसात, टूर ऑपरेटर्स आसात, एजन्सी आसात आनी ऑथॉरिटीज आसात, तांकां हांगा कितें तरी एक आपणाच्या पोटेपणाचें ह्या एपिडेमिक्सान हे ज्या कोरोना खातीर जें सगळें अस्तव्यस्त जाल्लें तें आमी परत जाग्यार उडोवपाक हो एक चान्स आसा. त्या खातीर हें परत सुरू जाल्यार टॅक्सीवाल्यांकूय हेच्या एक बरो बिझनस मेळटलो कित्याक आतां जाल्लेले फाटीं 2 कॉल्स आसले तांकां बरेच बिझनस मेळ्ळा म्हणजे ते खूब आनंदीत आसा. तसोच तांचो बिझनस फुडें जावनी तशेंच गोंयान हे जे पॅसेंजर देंवतले ते भोंवतले ते दुकानकारांक मार्केटिंगाक कितें तरी भोंवतले ते कितें तरी बिझनस जातलो आनी बरी आशा करता.
कितले पॅसेंजर्स
अबावट 1,105 पॅसेंजर्स आसात बॉम्बे चडल्यात. ही आयज हांगा आतां लागल्या संक सुमार सेल जातली आनी फाल्यां बॉम्बे पावतली आनी मोस्ट ऑफ दीस पॅसेंजर बॉम्बे डावन जातले म्हणजे देंवतले.
गोंयच्यान पॅसेंजर विचारपाचे सद्या
गोंयच्यान एक अबावट 250 पॅसेंजर्स चडपाचे आसा अशी आतांच आमकां लिस्ट येयल्या. पण तितूंतले आतां कितले जाण चडटात दॅट फिगर मे बी डिफर 250च्या वयरूय जावंक शकतात. पूण ही बरी गजाल की हांगा जे पॅसेंजर चडटात म्हणजे एक पोर्टाकूय एक आमकां रेवेन्यू मेळटलो ही आनंदाची गोष्ट आसा.
The Taxi Operators Union in the port town rejoiced with arrival of domestic cruise liner Cordelia Empress. The Mormugao Port Trust Taxi Union President Sanjay Kanoji said that around 250 taxi operators will earn a livelihood. The union also assured to follow all SOPs and cooperate with the government.
आमचे जवळ 170 गाडी आसा आणि ही कॉर्डेलिया एम्प्रेस पोर्ट चालू जाल्ली आसा. ही बरी गजाल आसा आणि आमी कंप्लीट SOP दवरून चालू केल्ले आसा. सगळ्या ड्रायव्हरा कडेन प्रत्येक मास्क, सॅनिटायझर, PPE किट पासून इवन आमच्या गाडयेन आसता ड्रायव्हरा कडेन आणि दुसरें म्हटल्यार आमी एक लोकांक पोटाक पाण्याक बरो सोय जाल्ली आसा एक बोटी खातीर आनी ही मातशी बोट अशीच चालू उरपाची अशें हांव मागता हांव. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार आमचे एक व्हडले बशींचो एक इशू आसा मातसो. बशी बी चड येवन थंय आमकां धंदो तितलो मेळना जालो आतां. इतले ते एक हें करूंक सोदता.
आयज जी बोट लागलेली आहा खरीच बरी खबर. आयज ते 2 वर्सांनी भुरगे बेकार घरा कडेन बेकारूच आसले. आयज एक आमकां बरी खबर बोट चालू जावन मदींच ही बोट चालू जाली आनी बंद जाली. आयज खंय तरी आमकां एक आमचो दामबाबा पावलेल्या भशेन आमचो लक्ष्मीनारायण आमकां पावल्ल्या भशेन बोटीचो धंदो परतून चालू जालो. आयज आमचे कडेन 170-180 गाडयो आसात. हे भुरग्यांनी अशें सपोर्ट भरपूर केले. भुरगे आपल्या घरा रावन बसून आयज परतून बोट येयल्या बरोबर सगळे येवन आमच्या संजय घेवन मेवळे आनी आयज परतून धंदो चालू केलो. आयज जो गव्हर्मेंटाची जी SOP आहा जेस आमी सोशल डिस्टन्स जावं तोंडाक मास्क अशे सगळे रूल आमी पाळून आमी कितें तो धंदो फुडें चालू करतले हेतून. आनी तेतून आनी एक बारीकसो इश्यू म्हणजे जे व्हडले गाडयो बिडयो येता हेंचे येवपाचे तुमी या ना न्हू पूण मातशें कमी प्रमाणात या. तुमी धंदो करा आमकांय धंदो दिया.
Chikalim Ground Panchayat saw heated exchanges over Joggers Park, STP plant and other issues on Sunday. Captain Viatro Fernandez said STP plant is planned for builders' benefit. On the other hand, Sarpanch Sepi Pereira said the Gram Sabha delayed this for years due to the pandemic. Chikali Panchayat is all set to inaugurate the garbage treatment and MRF facility soon, he added.
सो आयचे मिटिंगेक जे प्रोपोजल आसलेले ते जावन आसा सिवेज ड्रेनेज सम जॉगर्स पार्क लायटी लागून असले विशय आसलेले. सो हितूंतले थोडे इश्यू पळय आसलेले ते ग्रामसभा इश्यू न्हू ते हे आमच्यान इवन आमकां कंप्लेन दिल्यार बॉडी मिटिंगेक घालून हे सॉर्ट आवट करून जाता. सो हांवें ग्रामसभा मेंबरांकूय सांगलां असले गार्बेजाचे आनी कसले इश्यू तर आहाय जाल्यार तुमी आमकां इवन आमकां मिटिंगेक येवन तुमी दिवपा जात म्हूण आमी ते सॉर्ट आवट करूं शकताय म्हूण. आतां हे पळय ड्रेन आहाय आनी आमचे सिवेजाचे पळय आहाय ते आमी लोकांक सांगलां आमी कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटाक तुमचें कितें आहा तें फॉवर्ड करतले ते आमी सॉर्ट आवट करतले म्हूण इश्यू. सेकेंड थींग म्हणल्यार हांव आतां आमचो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आनी MRF शेड ह्या दिसांनी इनॉग्रेट जावपाचें आसा. हेजे हांव फूल क्रेडीट दिता आमचो पंचायत मिनिस्टर जो आमी प्रोजेक्ट अंडर 15 फायनान्स हाडला. हो टोटल फॉलोअप आमकां पंचायतीक हो प्लांट हाडपाक तेणें इतलो हेल्प केला. सो हांव तेजो चड आभारी. सेकेंड म्हणल्यार आमचो कोमिंदा एटर्नी रेमन कारवालो तेकाय हांव चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक तेणें आमकां लँड दिल्या आनी आयज तो तर आमकां हेल्प करना आसलेलो हे केन्ना पॉसिबल नासलेलें.
सगळे प्रोजेक्टांक अप्रुवल दिता PDA हातून पॉलिटिशियनाचो हात आसा. सगळे STP प्लांट्स हे फेल्ड ऑल ओवर गोवा ऑल ओवर इंडिया. इट्स अ फॅक्ट. आमच्या दाबोलीन पयशे आले व्हडले मेगा प्रोजेक्टांका परमिशन दिले हजारांनी लोक रावतात. STP प्लांट्स हे फेल्ड. दीस सुवेज वॉटर इज देन गोईंग इन टू ग्राउंड वॉटर. इट इज अफेक्टिंग द ग्राउंड वॉटर इज पॉयझनिंग द ग्राउंड वॉटर. सो आतां आमी हालींच 2 वीक पयला पंचायत मिनिस्टर श्री मोविन बुदिनो ही ऑल्सो द MLA ऑफ दाबोलीम. तो जिल्हा परिषद मेंबर आनी थोडे मेंबरांक घेवन अनावन्स केला आपूण इन्स्पेक्ट करता व्हडले STP प्लांट घालपाक. कोणाक ते आमकां आमच्या लोकांक काय ते बिल्डर लॉबी कित्याक एक फावट सरकारान आमच्या टॅक्स पेयराचे पयशे घालून तूं प्लांट फिट करता ओन्ली टू बेनिफीट म्हणजे फुकट सवाय बिल्डरांक सगळें मेवलें आयते सुवेश थंय येतली. तुमकां तर जाशिल्लें जाल्यार आमचो लोक इतले शेकडे रावतात फॉर डेकेड्स दे बीन स्टे तांचे चिंतूकूच ना. तांकां STPचे चिंतूकूच ना. तांकां सोडला आनी बिल्डरांक कोण सोदता तुमी. दिस इज आवर ऑब्जेक्शन.
And now we end this bulletin with the cartoon of the day image. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching HCN News. For more news and alerts, please follow us at Oheraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.